Hey folks, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be going a little northwest of the city of Trois-Rivières, and we're going to be checking out a trail network called Parc de la Rivière Batiscan. So this is a huge ecological reserve. It's got three different sectors: the basin sector, the barrage sector right here, and then there's the Murphy sector right here, which is the area we're going to be focusing on today. Again, this is more of a secondary mountain biking destination. It's better known for its hiking trails and the rapids and things like that. So the mountain biking is a little bit more of a secondary thing. But I was in the area, so I wanted to drop in, check it out anyway. There wasn't too much info on the trails, but like usual, there's always pros and cons, usually some hidden gems in there. So it's always worth to have a look. So there's not a whole lot of trailage here. I was able to do it pretty quickly. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dive in. We can check the maps as we go along, and we'll figure it out as we go. All right, so let's get in there and go for a rip. All right, this is RIVIÈRE Batiscan. Looks like the entry trail here. Again, place has been on the list for a little while, and give you a little bit of figuring things out. Trails big enough. Bobépine, okay. A little bit exploratory today. Oh yeah, nice. Good stuff. Cool. Pretty sick. Bridge just has a little bit of bounce to it. Kind of freaky. Okay, big climb to the right. This is not the way to go. I'm just checking it out here. A little bit of a view. There you go. Right down there if you want. Sick. This is better lines there. This is a big climb right here. Pretty big climb. This is a big climb to start the day off. Okay, so the trails kind of link up. I'm gonna try this one. It's called Bobépine, 3.5 kilometers. And yeah, this place kind of new. I noticed some of these trails, and we'll see what they look like. Okay, so just a quick note. I'm in the Bobépine here. I missed the right turn, and I ended up going on this trail right here called Chemin Murhpy. So in that first clip, I'm just on that trail, and it kind of follows along the ridge line, and it just ends here. So I loop around and actually get on the correct Bobépine. So the clip following the next one is going to be on Bobépine. So obviously, you know, it's not like a super, it's kind of an off the beaten path destination, but you never quite know what to expect. And then off to the left is La Rivière Batiscan. Oh yeah, nice. Big cliff off to the side there. You can see the river down below. Crazy. Just little note, Bobépine hangs a right here. Take the other trail, it's just like a double track, not a double track, but a So yeah, I mean, little meandering trail here. Yes, this little deer path, it's not really maintained too well. Oh, this is a short little trail then. Okay. Yeah, short little windy trail. So, for any networks, trail management that's listening, you open up a trail to the public, it's on Trail Forks. Make sure it's clean. Wash guide. Yeah, so this is all right, that's it. Bobépine, cute little trail. Actually, would be a lot better if it was maintained a little better. There's two more up ahead, or actually back this way, and you access them up here. So I'm gonna go check those out. I believe it's La Jumanji and what's the other one? Forget the name. Okay, so to get to the next set of trails, we just got out right here. So you follow the gravel trail, the Portage, goes up a little ways, and then you end up at the trail entrance here of La Pinotte. But for some reason they have this as La Bobépine, so I think it's like just like maybe a continuation or something. And if you follow the trail, it sort of has a little connector here, and then it jumps onto what would have been the La Jumanji. So it seems like both these trails here are just kind of like a Bobépine continuation. Again, there were some sections that were overgrown. They're an okay set of trails, but they do need like some maintenance and stuff. But anyway, it was the day of exploration, so went in, checked them out anyway, took one for the team. We'll go see what they look like. Okay, so just headed up this way. I'll get this on video just because it's getting a little confusing here. Doesn't quite match up with Trail Forks. So going that way, right? Okay, so this way, it's kind of weird because there should be a trail called Peanut right here, but if we go here like this, it's marked, it's got La Bobépine. So this should be Peanut, but I guess they're marking it as Bobépine. Maybe there's like a trail name convention in there going on, but this is on Trail Forks. This would be Peanut. Getting overgrown or what? Yeah, kind of overgrown. Guys, come on. Okay, not bad. We're gonna have to do a tick check after this one. Okay, so let's just go. Bobépine Street. Bus up now. Yeah, I'm just gonna go straight. Bring it. Goes around. Here's a nice little fire road for the Suron. Oh baby. It's good to know. Or do you like a hydro line road? Quite raw back country. We'll get some flow going here. Come on, give me some flow. Bobépine. Okay, so it loops back. So that was Jumanji. The second half of that was Jumanji on trail forks, but they're calling it all Bobépine. So interesting. I just came back to the beginning of La Trail de Gras. And it starts at the end of where you come out that original section of Bobépine. It's like gravel. Little like single track gravel trail. On here. Yes. Yeah. This way. Here they go. Oh, that's cool. Nice. I honestly like this. This is cool, man. Like, single track gravel trail, kind of cool, with a few jumps dispersed in there. Kind of neat. Usually gravel trails are wider, right? I like that. So you could ride this on like any bike. It's interesting. Just gotta watch the corners. Whoa! Nice. Okay. This is that is so cool. Yeah, it's gravel single track. Whoa, nope, hold on. That's fun. This is really fun. Okay, am I going to the right place? It's a little more rough here. And I hear the rapids down below. So. Okay. So, Trail de Gras is going to continue that way. Flank, we're going to go check it out. It's a double diamond. have it marked as red. So let's see what this looks like, and it goes all the way down to the rapids. Going down probably about 100 foot or so down to the rapids. 100, if not 125. Just making our way down the mountain here. Decent enough trail. Just needs some like trail maintenance, you know. Needs a little cleaning and some raking and stuff. Really get it burnt in a little better. Kind of loud. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, okay. Can you go down? Yeah. Can you go down here? Yeah, cool. Hang out here for a bit. Nice place. So just a quick note to get back out of that valley. On Trail Forks, they don't show that there's actually a turn off here, and there's actually a continuation to Les Flancs that brings you all the way back up. It's actually a really nice gravel climbing trail. So I'll just show a few clips of that, and then that'll bring us back up to Trail de Gras, and then we'll continue venturing out into that trail to finish the second half of it. Okay. So I think they have this as going back. Yeah, it's not marked well on Trail Forks. Yeah, so this is like Les Flancs, but to get out. Huh. So they don't have this section marked on trail forks then. This is like basically the route out but for bikes. And obviously this section is not double done. Yeah, nice, good stuff. So we just got to climb back out. Oh, let's see here. So the sign's a little weird here, but this is the intersection we were in before. So this is Trail de Gras. Just hang it right, we'll go back and finish the whole trail. And instead of going down to Les Flans. So as Les Flans, we'll go on finish the second half of Trail de Gras. Woohoo! Some sick hydroline trails here. Oh yeah. Good time. Nice. Meet right there with the Ciron. This little gravel number again. Yeah, I love this like single track gravel stuff. It's neat. Have to watch the corners, get down in the corners. How we going? Whoa, bro! It's like kind of cool. So, the Coulée. Yeah, check trail forks. All right, I'm here. I gotta do it. Looks like a rooty mess, but on va checker ça. Donc, la Coulée. It's like it's kind of a tight little windy fucking bullshit. I gotta say, starting out on Bobépine, whoa, shit. It kinda, I was a little worried, but Trail de Gras is pretty friggin' unique. And the rapids there were a nice sight. So, I made up for it. This is a cute trail. Yeah. So ravine off to the right there. La Coulée, okay. Makes sense, right? Ravine, La Coulée. But as you can see, it doesn't look like it gets too much use. It's okay on the e-bike, but a little boring on the motorbike. An analog bike. Alright. Business here. Oh yeah, going down. just off to the right, there's like this ravine. Just kind of following it. See down there. Oh, bro, look at that steep one here. Oh, big climb. Big climb. Guess they ran out of the same kind of wood. Whoa. What the fuck? Guys, this is really packed here. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is, whoa. This is like hyper tech. Guys, really nonsense. So kind of, bro, it's like straight down. They're kind of making it curve on the other side, or follow the ravine on the other side. Back around, that's it. So back on, oh, back here, okay. Oh. Back at the intersection to get into La Coulée. Yeah, kind of like some good sections to that trail. I don't know if you're on a regular bike, I'd say skip. It's got some nasty climbs. Hey, I'm just gonna come out here on the double track. I'm gonna go here for about a kilometer or so, half kilometer. There's like these gravel trails that go really far. I'm not gonna do that. I didn't want to come here and do that today, but I want to check. There's a hydroline trail that goes in. So when I get there, I'll fire it up. It's actually a really nice trail. Do a lot better on a Suron though. Okay, so if I was looking at the map, there's, oh, I can't go by bike. Huh. It says no bikes. Interesting. Yeah, I don't like being under these lines too. I remember at Mascouche, they charged my levers and they give me a shock. You can hear the lines buzzing. I think that's gonna be a wrap for me, guys, for this place. So hopefully that gives a good idea. Like I said, coming here with an analog bike, I would skip Bobépine, I would skip La Coulée. The Keystone trails are le trail de Gras, and then go down les flancs down to the rapids, and just kind of loop back. So yeah, I'll just gonna head back. Call that one a wrap. I gotta say, their gravel trails are, the double track's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Looks like they got some nice hydroline trails too. So if you have an electric bike, kind of, you have the big green trail that goes way far. It's like a couple kilometers to the other sectors. So if you like that kind of stuff, go for it. I'm not gonna do it today. Best part is finishing a ride, having a lot of battery left, and just putting her in boost. Ride my brakes. Alright, so that's going to wrap up RIVIÈRE Batiscan. We'll call that one done.